Hi everyone, Ken from Whittling Woods. Today is August 13th. I'm making the announcement of the winner for the North Bay Forge medium straight knife giveaway. I had a video probably about a month ago in mid-July where we talked about giving this here North Bay Forge knife away. It's a brand new knife. It's still got the little protective plastic coating on it. We have a winner. David is our winner, and I contacted him. He's still definitely interested in the knife, and it's going to be mailed out to him probably early this week on Monday. And I just wanted to say thank you to everyone very much for who expressed interest. It was about almost 50 people who expressed interest in the knife, which is really great. I wish I had 50 knives to give away to give all of you a knife, because I do appreciate your support and your kind words, everyone. So thanks very much. So anyway, just wanted to make that quick announcement. I had two little guys I just recently carved here to help me out. The little retirement plan guy and Smoking Ollie Joe. So if you get a chance, check out the videos. Go back a few videos. Smoking Ollie Joe, I think I released today. Actually, I did release today. So if you get a chance, check it out. And keep leaving comments, and always enjoy reading the comments and responding to any questions, or just enjoy your commentary, and do really appreciate everything that everyone says and all the support I've received. It's been great, and so thank you very much. So again, the first knife giveaway, maybe in the future we'll be looking at something like this, in case you know what this is. I don't know. I have a few knives that I own that I do no longer use, and who knows, maybe we'll be announcing something in the future, at a future date, if it works out that way. But anyway, thank you very much. Just wanted to make a quick announcement on that, and I appreciate all the support. Thank you. Have a great day. Take care.